So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix My5 not working on smart TV, streaming and sign in troubleshooting. So fix 1 is hard reboot your TV. Unplug the TV power cable from the wall. Wait exactly 60 seconds. Press and hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Second fix is restart your home internet. Unplug your router and modem for the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug them back in. Wait 2 minutes for the internet connection to fully restore. Third fix is clear app cache and data. Open your TV setting menu, then select app or application manager. Find and choose the My5 app. Then select clear cache, then select clear data. Fourth fix is delete and reinstall My5. Access your TV app store or apps list. Locate the My5 app and select it. Choose the option to delete or uninstall the app. Restart your TV after the app has been deleted. Return to the app store and download the My5 app again. Fifth fix is update TV system firmware. Open your TV setting menu, go to support, system or about, select software update or update now. Install any available update and let the TV restart. Thanks for watching.